Hi, welcome to the tutorial on walkthrough of the Jupyter Notebook. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to identify some of the most useful elements of Jupyter Notebook interface and write your first program of Hello World using Python. In the previous tutorial, we understood how we can install Jupyter Notebook. In this tutorial, we will familiarize ourselves with its interface. Open the Jupyter Notebook. Select New from the right hand side of the page. You will find 4 items. These are Python 3, text file, folder and terminal. Python 3 takes us to the window where we write a Python code for a program. Text file takes us to a window where we can write anything that we want. It works as a text editor. Folder allows us to create our own folder and manage our files. Terminal is just like the Windows or Mac terminal, that is, the command prompt. It helps us in supporting the terminal sessions within the web browser. Let's go ahead with the Python 3 option now. In Python 3 window, we get a drop-down menu containing 4 options, that is Code, Markdown, Raw NB Convert, and Heading. Code navigates us to the place where we write our code. Markdown navigates us to the text section where we can write our notes, comments based on the codes. Raw NB Convert is a command line tool which helps us to convert our notebook into another format like HTML. Heading takes us to the section where we need to add headers to the codes. The only thing is, we need to add a double pound sign to ensure that whatever we type after that will be taken as a heading. Now we are all set for writing the first program in Python. Let's navigate to Code window and write a Hello World program in Python. First, we add a comment. Hello World program. Now what is comment? Well, comments are some information or explanation about what our code is doing. They are added in a program to make the code easier for humans to understand. Compilers and interpreters ignore the comments. Comments in Python begin with a hash mark and whitespace character and continue to the end of the line. Since this program prints Hello World on the screen, we have added the comment Hello World program. Now, let's write the code to print Hello World. Type print Hello World and then press Ctrl and Enter. The Hello World is printed in the output window. Congratulations! You have successfully written your first program in Python using Jupyter Notebook. So that's it in this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will learn about different data types in Python.